Alright. Oh, interesting. I didn't realize this. Okay. As you can see here, I have it says sound, so it must be MRC. So this is the next series of decoder installs I'll be doing. Probably live, but I'm kind of just gonna pop these out. I gotta fix the box because it's kind of coming apart, the sleeve. But two Lock Sound 5 decoders. So 7A and 7B, okay. So we'll move these over here for now. I have board decoder, drop-in board decoders, and I have, I believe, 8 or wired decoders. So, yeah, it's MRC decoder installed, so we're going to remove that. As you can see, those are ancient, old technology. Some people like it, but I don't. Comes with a remote and a battery. It's okay if you're DC. Even these older Athearn Genesis are so nice. So let's determine what we're going to do. Flip around the light a little bit, kinda. Yeah, something like this. Alright. Detail looks pretty good. So, depending on the lighting, and these probably have incandescent because Athearn was forever to switch over to LEDs. So much so that when they did switch over to LEDs, they posted it on their the boxes to illustrate that they switched to LEDs. I don't even think these have been run. So, what I'd like to do with this, if I can, I've got to determine, obviously, at the light. Is it a dual beam? No, it's a single beam headlight. Probably lit number boards, and we got marker lights. So I'm going to determine how those are all lit. There's cab with cab interior. Replace and upgrade the LED lights. If I can, the marker lights work separate and the number boards work separate, but if it's too much work, they may all come on in one, or there may not be any marker lights. And also, I'll do track inspection lights, truck lights down here on each side of the cab. So that's the goal. That is the plan. So let's determine what decoder we need. Don't need to take that one off. Take this one off, I suppose. Spudger. Spudger. Not sure. Am I missing something? There we go. Okay. So, that's a big board. That is a huge board. That's a great big speaker. I don't know if we're going to keep that speaker. I guess it depends on how it sounds. It's got a nice baffle on it, so it may stay. So, does it make sense to use a board decoder? Or let's see here. There we go. The slack is just caught up. All right, let's get some slack up here. There we go. But the marker lights are, well, that'd be cool. Might be able to do something there. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 surface mount LEDs. That's a lot. But we could possibly do it. Now I kind of bought the board decoders. Probably should have bought one more. I may have to swap one. Let's see here. That's 21 pin. I'm gonna have to swap. Things got switched around on me. And my plan has kind of changed a bit. I could use the 8 pin on that. I'm not sure. Let's do some inspections. Yeah, this doesn't quite match these, so I guess we're going to use the two 8 pins. That kind of makes more sense, I guess. Yeah, I will build a socket for that, I think. So we can make a socket, plug it in. That will work. I'm talking to myself. What do we got here? 10 minutes. What do we got here? Oh, that's the antenna wire. Interesting. Okay. Wow. They're huge. Capacitors and transistors. Holy smokes. Yahoo. The speaker. Pretty much the size I was going to use anyway, so that's good. Drop power. So the reason I'm deciding to do these with the 8-pin plug is because it's got a lot more board decoder for the two RS3s, and then decide what I'm going to do later. So I'm just going to pop this decoder out, and that'll be it for this part of the video. And then I will make a harness or find something. Maybe I might even order them, so I don't have to make one. Maybe I'll look online and see if I can find an 8-pin connector harness. That would be nice. These are just the lights. Look at all that on the bottom. Isn't that great? Let's see. By golly, that's quite the light. I'm uncertain about that. We got a lovely amount of space for, I mean, I could even cut this, maybe I'll just cut this and hardwire it instead of doing the, yeah, maybe, that's what we'll do. Hardwire it up. But I think I'm going to put a piece of styrene on the motor, keep the wires away from the fly, and we'll go from there. So stay tuned for the next one. I'll probably work on this live.